gosh. That was sick. I don't know if my truck could take that one though. Check it out, guys. The truck is on the trailer for the first time of 2026, and that is because we're heading up to the dunes tomorrow after work for the first trip of the year. I couldn't be more excited about it. If you've been following along with the shop videos, you know I put a good amount of work into my truck to get it ready for this year. We've been rushing like crazy to get Elliott's truck ready, and it is ready. He'll be there with it. Caleb's going. I think Tanner might be going, but I'm not sure. Bear won't be there. His core support's broken. That'll be a future video. But man, we got a good amount of new parts to test. I got new seats, more valving in my rear shocks. Elliott's got a cab cage. Caleb's got more valving in his shocks. I don't even know what else. I feel like there's more stuff too, but let's get up there and have some fun. All right, guys, it's Saturday morning now. We made it in last night. I'm just about ready to pull my truck off the trailer. Elliott's here. The third brake light did not come back from powder coat in time, so he's just gonna have to run a handheld radio this trip, but that's okay. Man, I haven't even really looked at this thing yet, but the glass looks good. The roof looks good. As soon as it's off the trailer, I'll get some good video of it. All right, I just got back from running to get breakfast. Looks like Elliott got the truck off the trailer, so let's take a look at this thing for the first time. That looks good. It looks clean without the three-piece glass, yeah?
Yeah, I like it a lot better.
Man, you took a Lariat and turned it into like an XLT. Got rid of that, got rid of the sunroof. Too bad it like rained on the way up here. You happy with everything? It all turned out good?
Oh yeah.
Sweet. Man, it looks so complete with the windshield now. And I love how the tint at the top like hides the gap between the cage and the roof skin. Where's Matt at?
I think he might still be sleeping.
Oh boy. Sure. Caleb, I don't know if Caleb talked to you, but he texted me. He said he was like 30 minutes out, and that was like almost 30 minutes ago, so he'll be here soon. But I got bagels for everybody. Let's check out the inside of this thing.
I'm just cleaning her up. She's got body shop dust all over it.
Cool. It's too bad the third brake light didn't come in time, but that's okay.
Yeah.
You have it for the next trip.
Yep. Yeah, I brought all this stuff just in case, but
yeah,
it didn't work out.
You want to see my seats real quick?
Yeah.
Check these units out. I think they're a little high right now, but I'm hoping the cushion breaks in, or when I go to, you know,
dang, these are nice.
When I make my new mounts this winter and I cage it, I could lower them if I got to.
Oh yeah.
You think they feel good?
Yeah.
I like them a lot so far.
They're a little bit tighter in the hips than mine are.
Yeah.
That might be a good thing, honestly.
Yeah, I think.
Because mine, you slide side to side a little bit.
Yeah.
Not bad, but.
I noticed your cushions are definitely softer, so I'm hoping these break in a little because I need to sink like an inch.
Yeah. Cool.
Hell yeah. All right, I forgot we got to buy stickers.
Yeah.
I got to put my flag on. We got to buy stickers. I'm already aired down. But I guess let's have some breakfast and then we'll see you fellas when we're going out on the dunes. All right, Caleb's here now too with the fancy straps. What's up, dude?
What's up?
Is this the first dune trip you've trailered to?
Yeah.
Your own truck anyway?
Yep.
Sweet. It did fine, I'm guessing?
Yeah. An F-150 towing, but...
Yeah. As fine as they can be.
Yep.
What you doing, Elliott?
We're getting the radio working.
Decided we're still going to try to use the race radio even though the third brake light mount isn't in the truck right now.
It's like...
I think it's going to work fine. Hell yeah, that's cool. With the cage, we have so many more options now for GoPros.
I can get the screw in.
All right, guys, the sun came out. It's getting warmer. We just got our stickers on the trucks. We're going up the entrance road now, and we're about to turn and go up the first little hill here. This is going to be fun. There we go. I did not miss them. How's she feeling so far?
Good.
Is it loud as hell in there?
It's honestly not bad.
Man, how is it so far?
Good.
Cool, man.
Man, there's so much water.
Yeah, I'm not excited about the water, but the dunes are smooth and fast, and I'm having fun. Caleb, how's your all the valving we added to your shocks feeling so
Way
far?
better.
Good.
A lot smoother.
Mine feels really good too, but I was saying it's so smooth out here right now, I don't know if I can even tell. But it had to have made it better, right?
Yeah. It's crazy how much the dunes changed.
Yeah, it is. So far, I haven't seen drop-offs or anything gnarly out here. It's just smooth and good. All right, it's chilly. Hop back in the truck and do some laps. Caleb, you go ahead of me for a couple laps so I can watch your rear shocks. Guys, I wish I had the camera on a second ago. I went through a big ass puddle and I got sprayed.
Oh my god.
Doing some mud?
You got
wet. Back to the mud days.
You're mud bogging.
Well, the truck's gonna be dirty after this one. Alright, well, we just took a lunch break. I think the only thing broken that we know of so far is Caleb's truck, where the bump stops are striking the lower arm. You can see it's bending pretty bad. As far as I know, that thing's fine. My truck's fine. My new seats feel great. My shocks feel great with the added compression valving. Caleb said the valving he added back there feels great. Fortunately, the bumps aren't working out so good right now, but he'll get that figured out. And this thing's doing great too. As soon as we get back out there, I'm gonna have to throw some GoPros in there and go for a ride. But for now, we're gonna hang out at the hotel for a little bit. This little berm right here is gonna crash this thing. Landed it. Nice. Oh, that was actually really good. Thought he was going for the tree that time. What is the chances? Damn it, Elliott. Alright, it's not the first time these things have hit each other. We found this drop off. Elliott's kind of sizing it up. Can't tell. We're having trouble deciding if the truck's going to eat that up or if it's going to maybe be a little bit of a nosedive in situation, but we'll see if he hits it here in a second. Yeah. Is he going for it? I think he's going to go for it on this next one. Oh my gosh. That was sick. I don't know if my truck could take that one though. Wow. It looked about the max of what the truck could take. It looks sweet though.
Did it?
Yeah. She's a little caved in more than it was. Actually a lot. I think we're making a skid plate.
Yeah, we need a skid plate.
Alright guys, if you can hear me over this damn fuel pump, I'm going for a ride in Elliott's truck. It feels so solid already. I don't know if that's all in my head or not, but... It makes the right rear runner noises though. The visibility is still fantastic too.
Yeah, I'm happy.
Like, I don't catch myself looking at the tubes instead of what's out there. Oh my god. First of all, I forget how good this truck works because I haven't really been in here in a while. But the cage is cool. And it's not really that noisy minus the fuel pump. The fuel pump's ridiculous, but the clicking to me isn't bad at all. I can get used to all that.
Yeah, I think once the fuel pump's quieter, it's going to be really good.
Yeah.
Like when we're stopped, I have to shut the truck off because I can't stand to listen to it.
Yeah. And by the way, guys, he has a different fuel pump setup. He just hasn't installed it yet. It's going to go in with the new cell, I think. So. Well, cool. We're up here.
See how much better that is?
Truck's working good. Yeah, it's, I feel like I'm screaming now. It's peaceful. Now, do you feel like the truck's any slower since we added so much weight to it, or it feels fine?
It feels the same.
Great. Some last laps of the day in before we head over to get some dinner. We've had a good day. Everyone's happy with the upgrades we did. Elliott's cage is awesome. My seats are awesome. Shocks feel good. Caleb said his shocks thanks for watching the video. Overall, everything went really well for our first trip out for the year. Weather was pretty damn good for April. All the trucks did good. We'll be back out here in 2 weeks for pre-runner invasion with a bigger group of trucks. I'm looking forward to it. See you guys then. Check it out. Fuck, I'm panicking. Where do I put it? I think he's looking out the window at me. Hope he's not looking out the window at me.